Why did the walk sign not go? It's weird. Oh, why is it changing? It's weird. I don't know why that went in the first place. At the worst possible time. Yeah, no one really obeys. All right, turn on red in Langford. I think they've extended the countdown times here because I think they used to be shorter. So we got newer Econolite vehicle signals, new Econolite pedestrian signals with Duralight LEDs. So there used to just be single section Econolites with no countdown timers, but they kept the side street signal. Green vehicle signal, that was interesting. So we got a post-mounted left turn signal, or for the side street because it's a T intersection, but it's kind of mounted on the post top, which is mildly interesting. So because it's kind of an older style, the new style is just to mount it with like a bracket, but the style is seems to be kind of common in BC, kind of around the early 2000s. But yeah, there you go.